The path to Mars is fraught with challenges, especially for SpaceX's Starship. As the company prepares for its 10th test flight, the road has been littered with explosions, setbacks, and questions about whether the dream of human interplanetary travel is even feasible. But here's where it gets controversial. Critics argue that the current approach might be pushing too hard, too fast, while supporters insist that persistence is the only way forward. And this is the part most people miss. The real test isn't just about getting the rocket off the ground. It's about ensuring it can survive the journey, return safely, and repeat the process again and again. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, has long promised that Starship will one day carry humans to Mars and beyond. Yet, despite its ambitious goals, the rocket has yet to achieve all its mission milestones. 3 consecutive test flights, plus a June static engine test, ended in catastrophic failures. The latest incident in mid-June saw a Starship explode on the launch pad during a pre-flight test, with investigators blaming a failed pressurized tank that stored gaseous nitrogen for the ship's life support system. This wasn't just a technical glitch. It was a wake-up call. Olivier de Weck, a professor at MIT and a leading aerospace engineer, has raised serious doubts about Starship's design. "I'm starting to question whether the upper stage can actually work as intended," he said. "The Super Heavy booster has been relatively reliable, but the Starship itself is a different story. If we're aiming to send humans to Mars, we need to be absolutely certain this vehicle can handle the job." His concern centers on convergence engineering, a concept where every system must function seamlessly together. "It's like playing whack-a-mole," he explained. "Fixing one problem creates another, and the cycle never ends." Starship's 10th test flight, scheduled for Sunday, will launch from SpaceX's Starbase site in Texas. The goal is to land the stainless steel spacecraft, which is designed to be fully reusable and capable of carrying up to 100 people to deep space. But the stakes are high. A single failure could delay the mission for years, and the pressure to deliver is immense. Musk has acknowledged the difficulty of building a fully reusable rocket, calling it an insanely hard problem. Yet he remains confident. Rapidly reusable rockets are the key to making life multiplanetary. Looking back, the history of Starship is a patchwork of triumphs and tragedies. In March, a test flight ended when a Raptor engine failed, causing a self-destruct. In January 2025, a propellant leak led to an explosion during the 7th test. Each failure has provided valuable data, but the pattern is clear. Progress is slow, and the margin for error is tiny. De Weck argues that while the company's iterative approach is innovative, it's not foolproof. We'll find problems, test them rapidly, and fix them as we go. But safety-critical systems require a different strategy. Despite the setbacks, SpaceX continues to push forward. The company's aggressive test schedule, launches just months apart, reflects its commitment to rapid prototyping. However, some experts warn that this pace may not be sustainable. De Weck predicts the program will endure at least 15 to 17 flights before reaching a stable solution. "I don't see them abandoning anything before 20 flights," he said. Musk's vision is bold, a future where starships are manufactured daily and sent to the moon and Mars on a regular basis. "We could be out there among the stars making science fiction no longer fiction," he said. But will the current trajectory lead to that dream? Or will the next test flight be the one that changes everything? The answer lies in what happens next. What do you think? Can the race to Mars survive the chaos?